Hi, I'm Giovanna, account manager here at StreamYard. Today, we will have a quick demo in order to show you how to use StreamYard for your webinar. I will focus on the multi-stream destination, the slide presentation, managing guests and viewers, and how to run a brief Q&A session. Let me start showing you the studio. First of all, as you can see in the top right corner, we are now live both on StreamYard and YouTube. In fact, StreamYard gives me the possibility to multi-stream on different channels at the same time in order to maximize the outreach. Then I would like to show you also how I have loaded everything that I need for my presentation in the backstage. And I've also prepared in advance the scene in order to move from one moment of the presentation to another in a smooth way. Let's start with the slide. StreamYard enables me to load our slide in the backstage without any additional tool. I can pick the layout I prefer and I can move toward the slide in a smooth way. So the viewers can both see me and what I'm sharing, maintaining a professional outlook. But StreamYard gives me also the possibility to interact with our customer. In fact, if I go on the comment section, I can see that my colleague Pietro have commented. So I can share his comment on the stage, but I can also invite him joining the studio with me. Hi Pietro, thank you for joining.
Thank you, Giovanna, for inviting me here. I'm Pietro, product manager at StreamYard, and I want to say just one thing. For me, coming here, it was super easy. I just saw a clickable link in the webinar screen. I had to click on it, and after giving permission to the camera and microphone, I was here in the studio.
Great, thank you Pietro. Now, I would also like to show you how to run a survey with your viewers. In fact, in StreamYard, it's possible to share a QR code that will redirect our viewers in an external survey portal. Or, as I mentioned before, I can share my viewers' question directly on the stage. So, we have seen today how to run a webinar in StreamYard with the Q&A, guest participants, and slide presentation. And now I would like to leave you with a brief video on how our company's customers are using StreamYard.